Seriously, I'm gonna come as close as possible. Look at that hairline. That hairline is hairlining for sure. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install, and YasGrl was kind enough to send us this closure Jerry curl 14-inch 180 density unit. Look at these curls. You see it. But before we jump into that video, please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Also, please don't forget to hit that button down below. Now let's jump into this install. It is from YasGrl Hair, but let's get into the goodies that they sent us. We received wig caps, some eyelashes, a YasGrl pouch that included an edge brush, some hairpins, hair clips, and you will receive your wig in that silk pouch. Now this is what our unit is looking like straight out that pouch, and baby, that hairline is giving pre-plucked, okay? I believe this unit is about 14 inches. She is a closure wig, and when I tell you she is beautiful, let's go ahead and install this wig. Now just throwing this unit on my head, this is what our girl is looking like off the mannequin, and she's looking really freaking cute. I'm just adjusting her, making sure our girl is nice and secured, and she is. Now I'm using my eyebrow razor to cut off all that lace, and let me just say this is a closure unit, so this is very much so beginner friendly. Cutting all that off, which isn't that much, and we freaking love that. Now going in with my even lace spray. This is in Supreme, I believe. Honestly, this is the only lace spray that I use, and that's even, and it has to be the black can because in my opinion, that's the best one. It gives me a nice and secure hold. And now I'm just spraying on top of the lace because apparently I didn't put too much, and that was only because my makeup was done. I try not to put a lot of spray because I don't want it to get into my makeup and then my face looks messy because yeah, that's not cute. So now we're gonna go ahead and part out some baby hairs, and you guys can see I did not melt it with an edge band. And where the hell did that lace go? Exactly. Talk about melted, girl. Now we're just cutting some baby hairs because we definitely need some. Using my Got To Be gel in the clear kind, and we're just gonna swoop and create. Now usually I'm one to do a middle baby hair at a middle part, but I'm gonna try and keep this unit as natural as possible. So we're just adding baby hairs at our temples, and ooh, real cute, real freaking cute. Y'all see it? I'm excited. And now we're gonna go ahead and put some concealer on our part. We just want that part to be a bit more defined. I didn't bleach my knots. I think one day I'm gonna attempt to do that, but as of right now, yeah, I don't know anything about it. So concealer will definitely have to do. Now going in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse, and I've never used this mousse before. So let me just say, girl, this might be my new favorite. When I tell you my curls had so much sheen, shine, whatever you wanna call it, I was in freaking love. Now I'm not using any water because I could not find my spray bottle. I'm almost certain my 1-year-old misplaced it. So yeah, today is just a mousse kind of day. And we're just running that all through the hair. As you guys can see, I am not using a paddle brush. The only thing I am using is my fingers. So that should just tell you how soft this unit is. No tangles, no nothing. Now just pressing out that hairline a little bit with my hot comb. It already has mousse, so you don't really have to add anything else. And baby, look at that unit on my head and tell me it's not giving wash and go. Do you guys see the sheen and shine that I was talking about? Like that Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse did its thing. And talk about melted. What lace? Look at those curls. Seriously, girl, come on. We gotta go talk about this hair. This unit is from YasGrl Hair, and they were kind enough to send me a 5x5 closure unit. I believe the texture is Jerry curl. She is 14 inches long, 180 density. Hairline comes pre-plucked. I did not touch a damn thing. The definition in these curls, like, why can't my natural hair look like this? Now, the mousse I ended up using was the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse, and I've never used this mousse before, but the definition of these curls Mind you, I did not even use water. This is mousse only. Cream of Nature, you did your thing, because do you see this? I did go ahead and secure this unit with my Even Lace spray and melted into my skin. I did go ahead and put a little bit of LA Pro Concealer on my lace to blend it with my skin, and that was pretty much it. We went ahead and created some baby hairs, and if you guys know me, you know that I love me a nice middle baby hair, but I wanted to try and keep it as natural as possible, so we only had baby hairs to the side. I think I'm starting to become a closure girl because I don't mind a lace frontal every now and then because you guys know I love to customize my hairline, but seriously, look it. Like, you can't even tell that this is a closure wig. That's how bomb it looks. Exactly. Does this unit have any cons? Let me just say this. I definitely just installed this unit, and at the time, I was not getting any shedding or tangling whatsoever. But keep in mind, this is a textured unit. It's Jerry curl. So girl, you might get some shedding, you know, a little snag here and there. But as of right now, and you guys seen in my install, no paddle brush, no nothing. These things were the only thing that was necessary, and girl, it went right through the hair. Length of this unit is 14 inches, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I've had a 14-inch Jerry curl unit. I don't think I've had a Jerry curl unit, period. And I just kind of like the way that it's sitting on my shoulder. It's giving real natural, you know what I'm saying? Like, seriously, I'm gonna come as close as possible. Look at that hairline. That hairline is hairlining. For sure. Overall, I give this unit a 20 out of 10. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. Almost looks like I did a wash and go. I'm about to just lie and say that I did. If anybody asks me, this is my hair. I love the fact that this is a closure wig because I feel like for my beginners, this is very beginner friendly. The only thing you have to worry about is lace from here to here. You still have the option of throwing in some baby hairs if you would like. Hairline already comes customized. I did not have to pluck a damn thing. The definition in these curls are freaking everything. Honestly, even without the mousse and water, just straight out the pack, this unit was super duper cute. Yes, girl, yeah, did your thing with this one because this is freaking cute. Like, my daughter's hair texture is similar to this, and I tell her all the time, like, girl, if I had your hair on my head, look at me. I got her hair on my head now. We could be twins or whatever. Link to this wig can be found down in my description box below. And shout out to YasGrl for sending us this beautiful unit. It was most definitely appreciated. Thank you, girl. Yes. Is that why their name is YasGrl? YasGrl. That was it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl is posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.